Hello everybody, this is Minimymo, and I'm here to say I'm going to be doing a creeped out Disney makeup tutorial today. If you didn't see the last video where I turned myself into this, it's in the eye icon up there. But yes, I don't know where I went wrong in the lipstick. I hate lipstick anyway, so I don't even know why I did it. But I'm like, if I'm gonna do a tutorial, I'm gonna do the whole thing. But yeah, bye. But now we're gonna turn this look into something creepy, but still Disneyfied. Like, I still got the Mickeys, but I'm gonna make it even more Disney. Just, yeah, let's watch. And now.
Start off with a question. Do you even want to know? I know this, it can be hard to say when you care about them though. Those three words, they sound simple, but those three words aren't clear. Those three words can be hard to say, but I am here to hear. Please don't be mad at me, but I am not well. I try to hide the way I feel, but I feel deep in, I know you love me, but I don't want you hurt. Just know I love you too. Those three words, they sound simple, but those three words aren't clear. Those three words can be hard to say, but I am here to hear. I want the best for you, and I know you want the same, but please don't hate me, though I'm the one to blame. Just know I love you with all my heart, but it's hard to play this game. Let's try to restart. Those three words, they sound simple, but those three words aren't clear. Those three words can be hard to say, but I am here to hear. Those three words, they sound simple, but those three words aren't clear. Those three words can be hard to say, but I am here to hear. Those three words, they sound simple, but those three words aren't clear. Those three words can be hard to say, but I am here to hear. Those three words, those three words, those three words, my dear. I want to suck your blood, so I'm not hungry. I want to dance and sing to thee, but I feel like I have to control myself, 'cause I've been here 1800 years, and there's some problem, 'cause there's a demon inside of me. I want to get around in this world, but everyone knows my name. I'm on the news after all, so why do I have to keep on living this lie? I don't think I'm the bad guy. Why does the world think I am so cruel? Is it because I'm a fool? I want to learn the words to say to you, but it'll seem like I'm gay, so I kind of feel like I should have just made the scars myself instead of adding these on, because they're not blending well. I don't know. I guess I'll keep my mouth out of this, 'cause I want to give you a kiss
Of chocolate. I am actually running out of time, and I'm gonna have to take these off too. So, even though you missed some of it, it wasn't much. This is still, I think this is how I'm gonna have to end it. But yeah, so all that really made it spooky is that I cut my lips open, I drew a Mickey on my forehead, of which is bleeding. I was crying a lot, so like, makeup. But yeah, I hope to do a better type of horror type of Disney thing in the future. I'm just running out of time and getting a little bit anxious, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Minimymo signing off. Bye.
So what?
I can suck blood. So what?
So what?
I can even turn into a bat.
So what?